So, hey guys, Arun here. I'm Utkarsh, and now you saw Financial Freddy's 3 trailer. That was a really good trailer, but guys, I like to say it was not that scary trailer. And actually, Financial Freddy's 3, they have released a trailer about 18 hours before, just 18 hours before, and you go in Europe, check out the just search Financial Freddy's 3 trailer, and you'll get about so many reviews for Five Nights at Freddy's 3 trailer. I have also made one of these that I have taken some what we say screenshots of the trailer, and I like to talk about them. Now, as you saw the Financial Freddy's 3 trailer, it was like it was not that scary, but there were some parts which will actually which actually like made me take the screenshot and make a review of that. So first thing is that I took a the screenshot of the first part itself. In this trailer, you'll be able to see that there is normal what we say teddies, you can say, or something. Here you can see there is normal bunny, chica, and all. Here you can see normal, which you regularly see in all the Financial Freddy's 1 and 2, and now in 3 also. But if you move forward, here is the part where you can see some extra. It's not compulsory that they'll be there, but I just wanted to make sure. Now if you just zoom in into this one, now here it can be a normal picture also of something which is not clearly seen in the video, but it can be something else also, guys. Now most of you guys, I know most of you guys will think it's Chica. Even I thought it's Chica in the first, but it doesn't make me feel like Chica, but it have all the things that Chica have and all, except the thing and all. In Financial Freddy's 1, you saw Chica, Freddy, Bunny, and Foxy, and Golden Freddy. Now only 5 of them are there. Though Golden Freddy is really rare in Financial Freddy's, and Financial Freddy's 2, I don't know even if Golden Freddy is there. But in Financial Freddy's 2, you can even see female Chica and female Bunny. Now that is something different. So of course in this extra whatever you call it's there. Now here it can be one extra one also, I'm not sure. It's like kind of Chica. Now if you go forward, now it is like in one part of the trailer it will be like he will come back. Now normally you guys will think that of course it will be the Freddy or something like that, but whom do you mean by he? Now if you say he, you can say it's Financial Freddy's, and Freddy's the what we say that guy or whatever. So it can be Freddy of course, but he will come back means he always does. Now what do you mean by he? It can be Golden Freddy also. Now if you're saying it's Freddy, then what is Golden Freddy? Golden Freddy is like one of the you can say main guy who really comes. But if you're saying that there is Golden Freddy, then what about this guy here? Now if Golden Freddy is really there, then what about this guy? Now he doesn't look like Freddy at all. Now in this trailer you can see a golden bunny. Now most of the guys are really confused by this thing. Now it's a golden bunny in front of you. Now in any of the trailer of Financial Freddy's, they didn't show golden Freddy at all. No matter, it exists. Is the truth is it exists, and you have many proofs of that. Now you can go and check out the videos in YouTube and all. It does exist. But they never showed a clue of it or anything of it, but they are showing golden bunny here. Now Golden Bunny is not a guy who will really come in this game, or it's like one of the main. You can actually know it by seeing the trailer. Now I'll say you everything afterwards, but now let's move forward to the part where I skipped. Now this part is a hallway. Now in this hallway you'll notice few things which is similar to Financial Freddy's 1 and 2. Now as you can see here, some stars are here, like here the stars are here. You can see it in Financial Freddy's 1, in the right side of your cabin you can see the stars right here, and when it's like day 4 and day 5, the Freddy will start coming with his red eyes. You can more nicely you can see the stars there. So they have kept the stars of Five Nights at Freddy's 1, which was not there in Five Nights at Freddy's 2. And now another thing I'd like to say, that when this part of the trailer comes in, the whatever this game, okay, a kind of a game, it's like actually it's a Pizza Hut kind of thing, like from where you can get pizzas and all, okay. And but what does a game do in pizza kind of restaurant and all? And you can say it's like for entertaining and all, but uh now why did they even show this part? Now they actually what took my note focus was the what we say, the game. Now in one part it's blinking, the other part it's not blinking, then again it's blinking, then it's not blinking. There will be something included in the game which needs the game. Now some the game have an important part in the trailer, or the video game in the game has an important part in the game. Now you can understand that by your own. And another thing is the light coming from a door. Now here many guys will say it can be your cabin or something right here, but it's not possible, guys, because if you notice, this is a hallway means the hallway means someone will come through here, means from the back side from where we're looking. And our cabin, it will be very tough if our cabin is in the middle of the restaurant, you can say it will be in the middle of that. So we have to take care of everything. And now in Friday Nights at Freddy's 1 and 2, our cabin is at the end of the whole restaurant, or kind of thing, you can say like that. So it's not possible that it's in the middle. So here we'll get an extra room here. So I just wanted to clear up the doubt that it could not be our cabin. It can be, but most chances are it is not. Okay, now another thing, you'll think that why only in that room light is there. Now you will get to know that while you're playing the game. And another thing will go here. Now front will go here, not here. Here always does. Now it's the same thing that he will come back, and he always does. He will come back, he always does. Now after this thing, you'll notice that these three are there. Now these three look normal, and guys, I'll say that this there is one Chica, Freddy and Bunny as always, but nowadays in the game, I don't know why, but Bunny in Five Nights at Freddy's 2 and 3, both the bunnies coming, it's more physically active than Freddy. Now Freddy is not moving that much in Five Nights at Freddy's 2 and 1 both, but Bunny is moving regularly. Now after that, here is like one purple bunny and then one golden bunny. So there are two different kinds of bunny, and which is actually normal. Now you can see that now if you see this bunny, you will remember a part of Five Nights at Freddy's 2 trailer. If you have seen it, it's like the big bunny. Now again, I'll mention Bunny in that because he looks like Bunny. Now if you have seen the Five Nights at Freddy's 2 trailer, there's a kind of bunny that is large, huge, big. He's really big bunny who have red eyes and is totally torn up. The main guy who's totally torn up, this bunny looks exactly the same. So I guess they're making changes in Bunny, means mostly they're making changes in Bunny through the game. Now here's a golden bunny who is totally torn up, and then I took a close up on his face, and then again I took a close up. And while the video, you have seen that this guy was moving a lot. Maybe for some reason he was moving a lot, maybe for some reason, but he's totally different, guys. You can know that his ear is broken. It looks like the whole hair type kind of thing is taken out from his face, and everything is done. Now let's move forward. Now here is a cabin. Now I took a screenshot of a cabin. It's already been 10 minutes. I took a screenshot of a cabin. Now here in the first I thought it's a board. Guys, you all will think it's a board, but then I took a closer look. Here, if you look here, it looks like a board and the pictures are still. But when you turn here, it's not a board, it's a mirror. Not even a mirror, it's a glass, guys. So the another thing is that it's a glass, which makes you more scared. Now it's possible that there's a like this is a cabin. In front of that there is a small way and there's a wall straight front of it, which makes it more scary. And there's a light which proves that it's not a board, it's a glass, because you can see the light through it, and the light coming from the light. So it's possible that some what bunny and all come straight in the glass, and then you suddenly see there is glass and all. Another thing is that you cannot see the light and all, the buttons and all you can't see, which is normal in Five Nights at Freddy's 1 and 2. So that's the another thing. Now here you can see there is 1 2 3 Chica, Freddy and Bunny normally here and everything, but here this guy, you'll think who is it. Now this guy is the same guy, guys, who was right here. Now this guy and this guy have no difference. This guy and this guy have no difference. Now you can see his ear is broken, his eye have a bit here. Now if I take you to this guy also, his eye is here and his ear is broken. So he's the same guy, guys. He's the same guy who can actually move in the trailer. You saw the trailer, he can actually move in the trailer. Now another thing which is actually really weird about this game is that this guy right here, if you can see my fingerprints, this guy right here, I don't know what to say about him, guys. It's a kind of a, I don't know, it's like a kind of robot without legs actually floating. You can see he don't have any kind of legs, but he's still there. Now it's not possible that he's there from the starting of the game, because that will make it really weird. The whole game will be really weird. So I'm not sure, but this guy is like a skeleton face with jaws open and a cylinder kind of body. I don't know, he's there, and which makes it more weird. And then here you can see some chicken and all thrown away in the bin and all, and then his face more close up, and you can make sure that he's a robot by just closing up his eye, and then you can see it's like a kind of robots and all. But still this guy makes the whole game weird. Totally it makes it more weird, which makes another question. Now here's another door, you can see through, you can understand it by this thing. It's another door right here, which makes it more scary that it can simply run and come towards you, and there is a mirror right there. So that was the main things which I just like to talk about the whole game, and the main points about the whole game which I thought would be important for you guys. But I'll look forward to this game, and I'll of course, as soon as it comes on Android, I'll of course load it. But I don't know if I'll play it, because I don't play such kind of games, guys. I don't know. I'll actually try to play if I can, because Final Fantasy 1 was really easy. The whole game was so easy that I completed it in about 2 days. But Final Fantasy Freddy's 2, I didn't went above night 2. Now you guys will say, oh, we completed the whole game about 3 times or 4 times, but it was not so easy for me, because till now I didn't understood the game how to actually play. What should we do and what should not we do, from where they'll come, from where they'll not come. Financial Freddy was very simple and easy. So I wish this game will be also the same. They should have shown the map, but they didn't. So I'll actually play the what we say trailer once again, and then I'll stop my video right here. Okay guys, so let's play it again. Okay, get ready.